Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, teacher. I'm Layla. I'm 6 years old. I'm from Vietnam. And I'm Latin. And I practice.
In my free time,
Cook.
I play with friends. Your bicycle. Okay, I ride my bicycle. My bicycle. Okay. And where do you study English? How do you go to Conway Center? I go to Conway Center. Okay. Now please tell me, who are they? This is my father. Okay, now please tell me, what's this? This is bread. And then this is bread. What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Ice cream. What's this? This is. What's this? Rice. Okay, what's this? Okay, now tell me, what do you like and don't you like to eat? I don't like to eat. Okay, now let's go to the next part. Okay, so tell me, what letter is this? What is the sound of letter A? Okay, please read. Bat. Please read. Map. Okay, next. What letter? What is the sound of letter E? Okay, please read. Please read. Net. Okay, great. Now, what letter? I. Okay, so what is the sound of letter I? Okay, great. Please read. In. Please read. Big. Okay, next. What letter is this? O. So what is the sound of letter O? O. And please read. Mop. Please read. Pot. Okay, very good. Now, what letter is this? Letter U. What is the sound of letter U? Up. Okay, please read. Top. Please read. Not. Okay, now, please tell me about your drawing. Yeah. Okay. How my drawing is about my family has my father. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.